didn't.
I landed on the hill, and then it started to fall down the hill.
Yeah, I knew that. I didn't even get a ride in it.
I can't even repair it because it keeps on glitching back and forth. It's like humping the tree. What the fuck is it doing?
I upgraded.
What did you get?
So I spawned in on server and there was a tent on that top of the sniping hill. There's usually a tent, so I was like, oh, there's a chance for someone here. I went down the hill, there was another tent, some gear, and then I look in the town and I see zombies around. This guy climbs up on the roof and all I have is my Lee Enfield. So I was like, fuck, this is gonna be a shot. I waste like a clip and a half at the guy and I don't hit him. And he doesn't alt F4 or anything. I don't know what the fuck this guy's doing, so I ended up shooting him twice, killed him. And I got a TZ off him.
Good.
What is that sound?
What the fuck?
Oh, someone's in the pipe. It's bad voodoo.
I just stopped in.
Oh.
What?
Maybe it'll get unstuck.
I can't repair it. Ooh, look at the windows, magically repaired. Oh! Ow! Ow!
Get out, get out.
What's happening? Oh. What just happened?
Well, that was good because now we're almost free. It's like slowly rotating around the tree. I think we can get it out now.
What just happened?
I don't know what happened, but it was a good thing.
It just glitched and flew. How'd you turn the engine on?
Doris. Yeah, I know.
The Windows repaired itself, it looks like, too.
Push. or something. Just like keep running it to the side, maybe it'll do something. Yeah, like that.
Break your legs.
I got morphine. No, other side.
Try to pilot it again.
Oh shit!
God. Oh, no, he just killed us. No, you're not. You're dead. Wait till he makes a complete stop.
We're back on the road.
Alright. Do I hear it?
You guys best not fucking mess and kill me.
Cannot fire.
He just fucking hit something. He's fucking up the car. He sucks at driving. He's beeping the horn and everything. Alright, we just left that little town of Bolota, wherever it is. Alright, make sure you guys are hidden. You get out on the road.
Oh.
Shoot him!
The party bus?
Did you get him?
It's a sign.